Infer. Infer. To infer is a gorgeous C2 level formal English verb. Infer. Fer is a Latin word which means to bring. Thus, in Latin it would be bring in or bring about. But it's not as simple as you might think at first. Let's try to comprehend the verb to infer in a sentence. I know you can do it because you are smart. I was casually talking to my friend and I inferred from his countenance. Countenance means facial expression. I inferred from his countenance that he didn't want to talk about his deceased dog, his recently dead dog. What do you think it could mean that I inferred from his countenance that he didn't want to talk about his deceased dog? Yes, exactly, good job! I concluded from his countenance. I formed an opinion that he didn't want to talk about his dog because of his sad facial expression. To infer means to form an opinion based on the available information, facts, or evidence. I inferred from his countenance that he didn't want to talk about his deceased dog. Note that to infer from something. I inferred from his countenance, from his sad facial expression. And infer is often followed by the conjunction that. I inferred from something that. I inferred from his countenance that he didn't want to talk about his dog. I've got a question for you. What have you inferred from this video? What have you inferred? Could be anything. Just give me your own example, okay? Because I am pumped to read your sentences with this amazing formal verb. Subscribe to English with Peter if you haven't already. Click this red button, okay? Press the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, or thumbs down. No, please, no! And you can follow me on Instagram. It's english.with.peter. Thank you for watching, and remember that stronger English means better results! I need to leave this place because it's cold. Subscribe.